What is batch picking?
Batch picking is a method of picking multiple orders simultaneously in a warehouse to reduce the overall distance that the picker must travel. Orders are picked together based on common attributes, including things like stock location, shipping location, and requested delivery dates, among other commonalities. As an example, say we have 3 orders that need to be fulfilled. If we fulfilled these orders one at a time, order number 1 would require the picker to travel a total of 260 feet. Order number 2 is 130 feet of travel distance. And order number 3 is 350 feet of travel distance. If we pick the 3 orders individually, we'll travel a total of 740 feet. But since the item for order 2 is on the picker's route for order 1, it makes sense to batch pick those orders together. This means we only have to travel 270 feet to complete both order 1 and order 2, allowing us to reduce our overall travel distance by 120 feet. Batch picking is an effective way to reduce the overall travel distance for order picking. To learn more about picking strategies and optimization, visit Hy-Tek.com.